Did you know studies have shown that when you're trying to capture an accurate representation of your patient's mouth, each step in the process depends on the accuracy of the previous step. And when inaccurate steps enter the process, it often leads to a poorly fitting prosthesis, the need to retake impressions, wasted chair time, frustration, and loss of confidence for the patient. This is why Burbank Dental Lab is excited to offer a revolutionary service that brings the very highest level of accuracy for representing a patient's mouth. In-office iMetric scanning. This amazing scanning surface offers accuracy that is clinically as good, if not better, than a standard verification jig, with far less effort and less wasted time. Additionally, it offers a significant savings in chair time. The passive fit of the final restoration diminishes the need for excessive chairside adjustments, and the iMetric service offers a full digital and predictable workflow. iMetric's complex-free data acquisition process is fast and comfortable for both the patient and the doctor. Try-ins are eliminated because parts fit perfectly, and ultimately, the patient will experience improved comfort due to the precision and quality fit of the final restoration. To learn more about how Burbank's new iMetric scanning service can bring revolutionary changes to your practice and patients, visit the link below or call us today.